Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 7th of September 2007, Friday, 3 minutes past 10 a.m. London time. I've just triggered the short entry on the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. As I was telling the guys on my mailing list this morning, there were two setups that I liked. First of all, a London Open breakout on the Swissy, the USD against the CHF, and also the Kiwi crosses. Because they were forming, all of them, triangular formations, okay, well, it seems like all of them are breaking. Let me show you, for example, all the different crosses, Kiwi crosses, I mean. Alright, this is New Zealand dollar against the CHF, the trade I opened 3 days ago. This is my entry level. If you remember, you can go back in my 2-3 days in my blog, and you will see that there is a trade open for half the position out on New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. There was this triangular formation in the direction of the trend. It gave way, and well, it seems like it's moving down nicely. However, this is not the trade I've taken today, okay? I will show you right now what's the trade that I've taken today. Second, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand JPY, another New Zealand cross, another triangular formation, in this case a flat top triangle that's giving way to the downside in the direction of the trend, folks. I love trading in the direction of the main trend. Really, it's so easy. It makes things just so much more easily, especially when things are moving synchronized. As in this case, all the Kiwi crosses are resuming its downtrend. You see this downtrend? You see this triangular formation? If you want to learn more about pattern breakouts, that's explained on the chapter number 2 of my course. For all of you who've, all my students who've taken my course, just go back to the chapter number 2, read what's written there, and well, you'll basically get you'll see that it's basically what's happening today, okay? We have a clear trend, okay, like that, clear trend, that gives us the bias, okay, for any possible trade. Then we spot the congestion area, okay, in this case forming as a triangle, okay, and then you simply wait for the triangle in the direction of the trend. All right. Another one, the euro against the New Zealand dollar. Basically the same story, really. I'm not going to tell you anything new. You see that? Very clear uptrend, again, very clear uptrend. And then you just spot the sideways consolidation area, the ranging area, in this case another triangle, okay. Price moves up, down, gathers momentum, and bang, up. And well, now I'm gonna show you the trade I've actually taken. That's the American dollar, the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar. Basically the same thing, okay. In this case, a flat top triangle as well, that's breaking to the downside, and as we broke the 0.6900 round number, I triggered my short entry at 0.6895. That's my that's my entry level, 0.6895. I'm shooting for the next round number level, okay, the 0.6850, and stop loss is up there. We have the non-farm payrolls coming out today, okay. It's coming out in 3 hours and a half. If by any chance price hasn't hit my intraday targets by then, I will close the trade, or I will simply move it to stop. I'll move my stop to break even. You know, guys, I hate gamble my money away trading through fundamental announcements, especially non-farm payrolls. That's I mean, in my opinion, holding a position, an open position through the non-farm payrolls is just crazy. I mean, as simple as that. That's gambling your money away. Price may spike over 100 pips in either direction. It's a lottery, and you never know whether it's going to go in your direction or against you. Please, guys, I mean, for the sake of your own account, for the sake of your money, don't gamble your money away at the non-farm payrolls. It's like I said, sometimes it will go your way, sometimes it will go against you, and whenever that happens, it's gonna hurt. Okay, it's gonna hurt your account. So please don't risk your money away. If, like I say, if this strike by the time the non-farm payrolls hit the wires hasn't reached my target, I'm just gonna close out, even if it's a small at a small loss. I don't care. Okay, I mean, I really care about my money to gamble it away at the non-farm payrolls. Alright, guys, that's the trade that I'm involved with. Once again, it's 9 minutes past 10 a.m. London time. Entry price 0.6895. Shooting for the next round number. Stop loss up there. I will keep you updated. Alright, folks, bye bye. Hi folks, this is Sector. It's 2 minutes past past noon London time. My trade has come within 1 pip of being stopped out. It hasn't been stopped out yet, but it seems like well, this trade is not quite going the way I had expected. Remember, this was my entry. It went in my direction, but then the next bar was a large green bar, which, like I said, came within 1 pip of stopping me out. Nonetheless, I will probably get stopped out. This is it's not showing momentum to the downside. It's actually not showing momentum. As you can see, it's been moving sideways. So anyway, we have the non-farm payrolls coming out very soon. In an hour and a half, more or less. So either way, whether I get stopped out right there at minus 19 pips, or if it comes down, I will have to close it anyway, because, like I say, the non-farm payrolls are hitting the wires within 1 hour and a half. Right? Anyway, whatever happens, I will keep you updated. No worries. All right. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. One final update to let you know that I've manually closed the trade right now, barely 10 seconds ago. Right now it's 1 minute past 1 p.m. London time. I've closed it manually, like I say, for minus 3 pips. Because the non-farm payrolls are coming out in barely 29 minutes, and it's just not time enough for this trade to go nowhere. All right. Even if it moves my direction, what am I gonna get out of this trade? 10 pips, 15 pips, and it might as well go against me. So while I am still almost nearly next to break even, like I say, minus 3 pips, and like I said, once again, there is no time enough to get any profits really out of this trade. So I've decided to close it, play it safe, call it a day, and, well, you know, move on to merrier things. This is why I hate trading on Fridays, and especially on non-farm payroll Fridays. The market is pretty tight prior to the news. You know, it's everyone is sitting tight on their hands. It's big news, like I say, and no one wants to risk money before the news. All right, so it's one of the reasons I hate trading on Fridays. So I've decided, like I say, to get out of the trade and call it an early day. Anyway, so minus 3 pips, not a big deal really. It could have been much worse. Alright folks, I hope you guys have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.